Okay guys, we got a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, the year doesn't actually matter because it was several years that they made this issue. Ford always made the ground wire a little bit shorter, but I've noticed that Jeep has made the positive wire a little bit shorter. If you don't have any of your controls on this door, or for that matter, any windows, or door locks, or mirrors, the reason is those three doors are controlled by the heat that comes from this door. That's why this door can operate all of the doors. So if you don't have any controls and they're not working, nothing on this board is working, Ford, ground wire, Jeep, positive wire. Go right here between the door. We had to cut the rubber. Check it out. See where I made the splice? It's that brown and white wire right there. Now this is the ground wire, so I checked it first because Ford's so common. Hence the tape. I'm going to clean it up and tape it. But this positive wire on the Jeep is the problem, brown and white. Once you get inside the door, it's actually like a tan and white because the sun can heat it up and fade a little bit. But it's a brown and white wire on that pigtail. Check that wire. What you want to do is check this side first for heat. If you don't have it, then the brake is right here. If you do have it, then check the opposite side. The brake is right here. Again, no controls on this side. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.